Hello guys. So if you're looking to create anonymous questions on your Instagram story, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, generally if you'll go to your Instagram, then go to your stories, then just simply create a story by clicking on camera, then create. Now just simply click on the emoji icon at the top bar, then choose questions. So as you can see, there is no anonymous option over here. So what you can do instead is just simply go back, discard this one, then go back. Now all you have to do is just simply download this application from Play Store. You can just simply type in NGL, it will come up. Then open the application, click on get started, enter your profile name, then just simply hit done. Now just simply wait for a few seconds, and after that what you have to do is just simply click on copy link, then hit OK. Now go back to your Instagram, click on stories again, camera, create, click on the emoji icon. Now firstly what you have to choose is link. Now after pasting the link, just simply hit done. Now just simply adjust the position. Now again click on the emoji icon, go to questions, ask whatever you want. Then after writing the question, just simply create an arrow showing the link, and then just simply click on your story, and that's it. Now when anyone opens your story, click on the link, they will be redirected to this anonymous message page, and over here they can ask anything and it will be completely anonymous. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.